In this video, we're going to take a look at Majestic Colonial in Punta Cana, room 4107, which is fully accessible. And Cheryl's filming this with the camera mounted on her Will CI2. And as she comes into the room, it was nice and easy getting in. You'll see the sink had space underneath it where you could get a wheelchair up to it. We're going to go ahead and take a look. The toilet and the shower are in this wet room. You'll see that the shower and the toilet are fully accessible. The toilet has a rail on one side or a drop-down rail on the other. There's rails, a handheld shower, and a shower stool. Now, nice thing about the shower stool is you can put it wherever you want it, and the controls were in reach for the handheld shower. Obviously, the hot tub itself, or the jacuzzi, is probably not so accessible. I'm talking to our butler as we go in. Cheryl's doing some video and looking around. You'll notice that there was space both sides of the bed. Cheryl's going to turn around and take a look there again. We've got a nice desk over on the right side, a full sofa, a coffee table with some treats on it. We'll get a closer look at that in a minute. He's going to show us where the safe is, and we've got closets. There was one of the closets had a lower clothes rod. We didn't get a video of it, but it was there. Now Cheryl's going to have to take a look at this patio and see what she can do with it. And this is really cool because as we go outside in just a second, you'll see there's a ramp right there where you can get over the lip of the sliding glass window. I said she had to come back and take a look at the treats. So I'm going to open it for her. And you see the ramp. There's a wooden ramp going up there and a wooden ramp coming down here. You get on the patio. It's easy to maneuver on the patio. There's plenty of space. And at least Cheryl with her Will CI2 had no problems getting around. She's going to go off the ramp and go up and turn around and come back up it. That worked well as also. So she's headed back in now. She's going to go right up over it. And so this was typical of the kinds of accessibility decisions that the resort had made. We found the accessibility to be very good in this resort. The only exception was the pools were not accessible unless you could take a few steps. But other than that, we had no problems at all. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button. And in just a second, you'll see a picture of my face. If you click that, that'll let you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And a playlist on the right has more videos I think you'll like.